Okay, so let's see today's problem of the day. So in the question you are given a string s and an integer repeat limit, and you have to construct another string which is named as repeat limited string. The condition for it is like you can use the characters of s in the repeat limited string, but no letter should appear more than repeat limit times in a row in your repeat limited string. Okay, and there is no like condition that you have to use all the characters from the s. And at last you have to return the largest possible repeat limited string possible. Okay, yeah. So lexicographically largest possible. Okay, so actually let's understand first the question, and understand the question first. So like in this example, c c z a z c c. Okay, so you can use characters of this string s. Okay, and you have to um, return a string in which no character of s should be in a row more than three times. Okay, what does that means? That and yeah, it should be lexicographically largest. Now what does lexicographically largest means? So I will just take two three examples and explain it to you. So like z is greater than a. Okay, so the string z is lexicographically larger than a. Also it is larger than y. So, okay, now the string z b c a is greater than z b c z b c and okay, let's take b and a. So why this is greater? Because see, the first character is z, and here also first character is z, so both are same. Second is b, second is b in here, both are same. But here the second is c, and here the third is c and third is b in this the other string. So this string character is greater. Okay, so yeah, that's why this string is greater. So obviously from that we are like getting an intuition that we have to uh, make the lexicographically largest string. Okay, so obviously we will choose the character which is greater from all characters at the first. Okay, like so in this example, c c z a z c c, obviously in our answer we will choose a character which is greatest of all. Okay, so in this string greatest of all is z, so we will choose z and we will try to choose it at maximum number of times that we can choose. So what we'll again choose a z because we have two z's in the string. And yeah, we have to maintain the limit also. We can't go beyond the repeat limit. Yes, and we can't choose more z because yes, obviously they are not z present in the string. And yes, now which is the like second most greater character? So it is c. So what we will do, we will choose c. So we choose c first time. Then we have like four c's in the string, so we can choose one more time. Then we can choose one more time. And yeah, we have like taken all c's, but well, one is left in the string c, string s. But why we will not choose again a c? Why we will not choose? Because the repeat limit is only 3. So we can like choose a same character at most 3 times in a row, and we have done it already. So now we have to choose another character. Okay, so that yes, we can like just break the row consecutiveness, and then again we will try to choose c. So what we will do, we will choose like the other character which is just smaller than c. So in this we have only option a, so we will choose a, and then again we will start choosing c. So yeah, we have chosen c. Okay, now actually let's make this example more bigger. Let's say we were having more c's here. Okay, and we are having one more 2a. Yeah, 2a is more. Now see, uh, you have chosen 3 c's. Now what you will do, you will choose another character which is let's say we have b also here. Okay, so you will choose another character which is just smaller than c, and you will just take one of it and then because you know that I want to choose more C's in the starting. Okay, so what you will do, let's say we have two more, three more B's actually. So what you will do, you will choose now the smallest character, not smallest, the just small character from C is B. So you will choose one B, and again you will get back to C. So how much C you are remaining with? Like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have 9 in total, 9 C's. Okay, you have taken 3 C's. Now again you will choose 3 C's. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now again your max limit is reached. Now again you will choose just smaller character than C. So you will choose B here. Okay, so yes, you will choose B here. Now you have left with 3 C's again. So what you will do, you will choose 3 C again. Okay, now all the C's are from these are utilized. Okay, yeah, they have utilized. Now what you will do, you will choose just smaller character than C, but all of them are utilized actually. See, so we don't we are not going to repeat C anymore. So now we will move to another main character, which is in this case will be B. We are left with one B. Okay, so what we will do, we will choose one B. Okay, and as we can choose only one B, therefore we are not we are not able to add more. So yes, then we will move to next main character, which is now A. Okay, so A is there, and then we will try to add A. So A, we can add at max 3 times. So A we added 3 times, and we only have 3 times. Okay, now let's suppose there was another A in this, so we can't add one more A here. Why we can't add? Because we don't have another breaking character, like which will break the consecutiveness. We don't have any other single character which is like we can put here, and therefore it will break the thing. So we return only this string. This string will be the answer for this, and it is mentioned in the question that it is not compulsory to use all the characters. Okay, so this is the approach. Yeah, so we will do this, like track this using priority queue. So actually let's make it, let's solve it, let's code it. Okay, so I will make a class pair which will store the basically characters basically. So chars character C, and this will store the count of the characters present in the, yes, in the string. Now constructor, I will initialize the constructor. Okay, this dot C is equal to C, this dot count is equal to count. Okay, here's a typo. Yes, and yes, I will override the public int compare to this logic I'm using, like writing for the priority queue thing. Return, I will return the character which is greater. Okay, first. So yes, p2 dot c minus this dot c. Okay, and this class should implement comparable pair. Okay, now I will first count the frequencies of characters present in the string s. So I will make a array for it which will be of size 26, because there are only lowercase characters in this. Less than s dot length. Okay, so frequency of I, not I, s dot caret I minus a. This will, I will just increase it, and now I have to add those elements in priority queue. First let's define priority queue. Priority queue, it will be of type pair. Okay, yes, and we will start putting the elements in the priority queue. 26 at most, there can be only 26 unique elements. And if frequency of I is greater than 0, just add a new pair object in that. So what will the character see? So I will just define a string here, string x, which will be a b c d e f g h i j k l m n o p r s t u v w x y z. Okay, so this I have done this for like uh, which in at which index which character is. So at 0th index a will be there, so for mapping purposes. So is x dot char type, and the count, what is the count, what's the count of the character in string? It is frequency of I. Yeah, yeah, I have added all those elements in priority queue. Now while pq dot is empty, while it's not empty actually, yeah, I will remove the current, the largest, the main character which I have to like append more times. First let me initialize the answer string. Okay, yes, and yes, I will remove the maximum, what we can say, yeah, the maximum character from the priority queue. Okay, so in this case it will, z will be get removed. And now what I will do, I will calculate a length which will be mad dot minimum of repeat element and current dot count, obviously, because like if the count is of the characters in the s is greater and repeat limit is less, so we will at max take repeat limit, we will append that character at max repeat limit times. But if the current character count is less than repeat limit, we will append that only in the, like, append only current dot count times the number of times the character is there in the string s. Yes, so we will run a loop from int I is 0 to I is less than n, I plus plus, just append the character current dot c in the answer. Okay, now yes, now if pq dot is empty, if it's not empty, now we have to add the breaking character. Okay, which we were adding here, like we added triple c, and then we added b, a breaking character. So that will be the just lower character uh, the current character. Okay, so we will name that as current one, and we will remove where, okay, remove it from priority queue. Okay, now yeah, this will happen only if, like, if the main character which we are trying to append more number of times is like, yeah, it's remaining. Okay, so like in this case, when z was the main character, so we didn't that was the main character, but it occurred only for two times. It doesn't occur after the, like, for the repeat limit times, because we were not having enough z here. Okay, so we were only having two z's, and after repeating two z's, now as z has exhausted, so z cannot be main character. Okay, so we don't need to add a breaking character for it. But for the c case, like, uh, we were having 9 c's, okay, and we were able to add only just 3 c's. Okay, so now we have to add a breaking character, which is b. So for that case we will add the breaking character. Okay, yes, so we also, there will be a condition here, that if the repeat, like the current dot c, that is the number of characters present. Okay, uh, actually it would be not here, this condition is for the breaking character, so here actually. And if the condition is, if current dot c minus repeat limit, okay, the number of times we can repeat the characters in a row, maximum number of times, if this is greater than 0. Okay, so if this is greater than 0, then only we will do this, because then only it will be main character anymore. Okay, because if for z case, the repeat limit is 3, and it the current dot count, or current, yeah, here it will be current dot count, the number of characters present in the s is 2. So 2 minus 3 is not greater than 0, so it is not main character anymore, and therefore we don't need to add a breaking character for it, so we will not do for it. Okay, so yeah, but for C we will do it because for C the value of this will be at first time it will be 9 and repeat limit will be 3, so 9 minus 3 is greater than 0. Yes, so for C we will do it. Yes, so this is the condition for that. And yes, now what we'll do, we'll just add answer dot append current one dot C one times. We will just append it one times, breaking character. And if current one dot count, yeah, minus 1, this is greater than 0, then only we will add it again in the priority queue. Add new pair current dot C minus not minus comma uh, current dot count minus 1, as we have included one character. Okay, and also we will add the this like we have removed it, so we have to add it again. So we will add it in the priority queue. Add new pair uh, current dot C. This would be actually current one dot C. Yes, because we are adding breaking character pair here, and this is the main character pair. So current dot C comma current, and this would be also current one. Current dot count, yeah, minus repeat limit, as we have included it repeat limit times. So we will just subtract it from that. Yes, and yeah, it will be, yeah. And yes, now for the other case, well, the PQ is empty. PQ is empty, that what does that means? And PQ is empty, and let's suppose this is greater than 0, then what does that mean? That we don't have breaking character left. And which was in this case, we don't have any breaking character, and we have more main character, but we can't add it. So we will not add the this thing also, the number of characters left of the main character also. So ultimately priority queue will get empty, and they will not get yeah, the while loop will not run more, yeah, and our answer will stop here. And yes, if this condition happens, like the it is less than 0 or less than equal to 0, the number of main characters minus repeat limit, then what will happen? Then this case will happen, like the Z wala thing. So now Z is not any more any not more any main character. That's why the main character will get shifted to another. So we will just not add this thing, because no need to add it, because this will obviously get negative, because we don't have enough current dot count characters. And no need to add breaking character also, because yeah, at next the character will not be the Z anymore, because we don't have enough Z's. So obviously it will be another like the just smaller character than Z. And yes, therefore no, it will be not in row. Okay, yeah. So let's try to run it. Yeah, at last we will return the string. Return, not here, return answer dot to string. Okay, frequency s dot character. Yeah. Oh, yes. Okay, pair pq dot remove. Okay, there's a typo again. We Let's see what are the errors. Yeah, only one error. Okay, it's getting yeah, it's running. Let's try to submit it. Yes, it's getting accepted. Okay, thank you all for watching.